Hey guys, if you like my show, just click the subscribe button right here. Welcome to the Jack Merl Show. I'd like to start out telling you something on the show. A joke! So it's going to be why the chicken crossed the road. I know you may think that to get to the other side, but what happened while he was crossing, he accidentally got run over by a car. And that joke is very close to Crossy Roads. If you haven't seen it, it has a little chicken on the front, so it's digital, kind of like Minecraft, but it's like a digital chicken, kind of like Minecraft, and it's Crossy Roads, and you can do each one. Usually there's a chicken first, starting out, so you can hit a little button, then it goes to each one, and you can buy one. And my next door neighbor, Mr. Andy, has some chickens in his backyard in the coop. In the coop, I meant to say. A coop. And I also like to eat chicken with ketchup. It's so good. If you haven't ate it, just go to Chick-fil-A. Today's guest is, we've never done it. We've never done this. It's me. Somehow my dad's gonna edit it somehow, but you're gonna see it once it comes out. It's gonna be great. So what that means is the Jack Merl Show guest is gonna be me. Welcome to the show, me.
Nice to be here. It's nice to be here. This is weird, so weird.
It sure is. That's the magic of editing.
Well, you guys do a great job on this show.
My producer tells me a thing that we do.
Yeah, I can burp the alphabet. You want to see me do it?
Yes, I'd love to see it. Would you guys like to see it?
How about you guys? You want to see it? And now, burp the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. What now? U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Wow, I did not know that I knew how to do that. What do you guys think about that?
Thank you very much.
Well, thanks for coming on the show, Bee. Well, maybe I'll see you sometime other around. Or maybe I'll see myself in the mirror, which I'll think of you, it's me, which is actually you, and it's me. That's all the time we have, so thanks for joining us on the Jack Merl Show.